In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can add a dashed border to a chart in Microsoft Excel. To do this, right-click on the chart that you want to add the border to. Now from here, go to the top where it says Outline. And from here, you can first adjust the outline to whatever color that you want. So in this example, I'm going to have it be black so it just pops out a bit more. Now, to add the border, I'm going to adjust the dash right here to whatever dash that I would want it to be. And I can even click on more lines and have even more options to be whatever dash line have dash effect I would want it to be. In this example, I want it to be this dash right here. And I can also go through and adjust the width of the border so it's thicker. I can adjust the transparency of the border. I can add different cap types. I can have different join types. I can even have rounded borders if I want to. That said, now I have a dash border in my chart in Excel. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.